Apples. Apples are one of my favourite fruits. And what I find interesting with fruits is so many people nowadays are interested in all of these exotic fruits and they forget what wonders we have on our doorstep. Apples have so many amazing nutrients packed in them, vitamins for a start, as well as various other plant nutrients that have wonderful beneficial properties for our bodies. For example, especially red apples, we find a really powerful compound in there called quercetin. And quercetin is a really good anti-inflammatory. Quercetin we find mostly in the peel of the apple, so that can really be good for you to think about in terms of eating. But apples also contain another substance called pectin. And what pectin's very good at is binding onto wastes and toxins that are found within your intestines, and they help to drag them out through your gut. So they're very good at aiding the elimination of waste substances through the gut. So maybe there is some truth in the saying that an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Thanks for watching this video. I'd like to offer you a free online class. To access this, please click the link below in the description section.